As a priest, here's the biggest problem I see people face in the spiritual life, and here's how to fix it. This is something that everyone goes through at some point, and sadly, it's often the moment where many people give up on their faith. People start off praying, maybe going to a retreat or a church service, and they feel great. They feel happy and peaceful. Then, after a period of time, they go to pray, and suddenly they feel nothing. The happiness is gone. The excitement is gone. And they think, wait, is all of this a lie? Is God even real? We call this lack of positive feeling in the spiritual life desolation. And it's when people often stop praying. Here's an analogy. If you want to build muscle at the gym, you start by lifting the heaviest weight you can. When it becomes easy to lift that weight, what do? You go lift a heavier one. And the point is to lift heavier and heavier weights so you get stronger, so you grow. When you finish 5th grade, you move on to 6th grade. And you don't expect 6th grade to be the same material as 5th grade. You expect it to be harder because you're growing, because you're getting smarter. But when it comes to the spiritual life, we expect it to always be the same weight, to always be the same difficulty. But if that's the case, we will never grow. God is trying to get us to level up our spiritual lives. So he sometimes lets the feelings fade for a time. He allows certain temptations so that we can go deeper. So, what's the solution to the desolation? The positive feelings will come back, but for now, pray without the feelings. Lift the heavier weight, move on to 6th grade, put in the work. You're getting stronger, you're growing, and you're becoming who God needs you to be.